What is going on? Welcome back to Fanatic Journey. So today I want to talk to you about Serve Robotics. I want to go over what is really driving this higher and why this is a very unique and true squeeze play. So I want to go over all the things that you need to know, but first make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. And with that, let's get right to it. So right now it is up 35%, give or take. New 52-week high of $17.90. 52.6 million shares being traded. 23.05 is the average. You are seeing a lot of volume and a lot of big money buying it. So these are some of the transactions occurring on the secondary market above $100,000. There hasn't been all that much in news from the company itself over this last little bit. So news came out on the 25th, which in reality was more fluff, nothing really substantial based on that. And the news that came out on the 24th and the 23rd wasn't really all that great. So that's what caused some consolidation right here. So it did have a lot of good momentum. And then they did issue that 15 million private placement, which in reality kind of showed that the company was just taking advantage of the kind of squeeze that did happen. But once again, there's a lot of different aspects to this. What got this company very popular is because of this 13G that came out on the 18th right here. So this company has a lot of similarities to SoundHound because both of them did have a 13G where NVIDIA did make a new position in. So I think that is where both of those companies, SoundHound and this company right here, on the radar. So I think in reality, that's kind of a good thing. Is it justified to have this crazy of an increase? In my opinion, I would say no. But shorts at the same time were very doubtful about this. So during this initial kind of pump up right here, shorts were increasing. And so prior to that, shorts weren't really even paying attention to this. They started to increase again. And as you can kind of see, it did have a high roughly of about 22.83%. They started to take the loss right here and started to kind of return some shares, which did add some buying pressure. But I think they are really just adamant that this should not be anywhere close to these prices. So this is why they are doubling the hell down. Currently increasing 671,000 shares. 23.28% of the free floats being shorted. Works out to be 3.52 million shares overall are being shorted. It is on the threshold list, so that is a fair understanding that there is some level of naked shorting that's happening behind the scenes. But when it comes down to this company, despite the lack of news, that doesn't mean that this company can't go up. And so in essence, this is why I do feel that this is a very unique circumstance and a very true squeeze play. Because when it comes down to a lot of popular stocks such as GameStop and many others, right? A lot of them have this, which as you can kind of see, nothing, meaning no options. This company does not have any options because in essence, that's one thing that shorts love to do is they love to hedge. For instance, they like to buy or short a stock and then they would just buy a call just in anticipation if that stock does go up. They're hedged. Whereas this, they're naked. They're wide open. There's absolutely nothing they can do other than close out their position or increase, which as of late, they've been increasing. So assuming everything stays the status quo, you can see a very unique and true squeeze from this company. Even going over here through IBKR, it shows 0 right now. What I'll do is I'll quickly pop over here, going over to IBKR. So as you can kind of see right here, my apologies. So as you can kind of see right here, you do see that there is 0 shares available to be shorted. So this company is, like I said, just a very, very unique circumstance. At roughly about an hour ago, there was 8.7 million shares. Now there is 0. So definitely shorts are very active today and they in reality could be losing their shit very, very soon. Pardon my French. So yes, the fact that this stock is going up, it is a very unique AI play, momentum play, and also a squeeze stock. And the fact that they don't have any options means that shorts are kind of at the mercy of just people stopping buying, as weird as that sounds. So in essence, yeah, I think this is definitely one of those stocks that you need to add to your watch list. Logically, should this be at these prices? Not to agree with shorts, but I would say no, only because of the lack of news. But needless to say, that doesn't make a difference at this stage, right? It could still in essence go up because of it being a momentum play. As long as the buying continues at this level, then this will continue to run up. So let me know your thoughts on this company. Have you been buying? Have you been selling? What have you been doing with this company? I briefly did a video when it was like at $6 under my other channel, Trending Stocks, on which I did say that this could easily go up to roughly around the $12 to $13 range, which kind of already far exceeded that. So let me know your thoughts. Have you been buying? Have you been selling? What have you been doing? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. One final thing, take advantage of this promo. Simply sign up for a new account, throw $100 at it, and they give you 5 free stocks. Each stock is valued up to $2,000. This promo is only up until July 31st. So take advantage of this. With that said, appreciate all of you watching.